How to convert phenol to aspirin? Phenol, there is a chemical formula C6H5OH, react with sodium hydroxide from sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide react with carbon dioxide and 127 degree centigrade and 6 to 7 atmospheric pressure. This name reaction called Smith reaction, product from sodium salicylate. Sodium salicylate hydrolyzed, product from salicylic acid. Salicylic acid react with acetic anhydride and acetic acid, product from aspirin, that is the other name acetyl salicylic acid. Okay, next part, that is the how to convert phenol to picric acid. Phenol, that is the chemical formula C6H5OH, react with mixture acid, that is concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid, product from 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, that is picric acid.